where is no my only live video one day do explain to us or we no even agbina na agmo ya agbina where
no no say no where the topic
yeah when we time now we okay man agbina no okay when na se boni ye Sharon
but one me audio ni me Izzy yat here me since then 3 days no yat time we
mama when they bottom agent mama hold on violent wait me I tell mommy Sonia I know say you dey follow up with this issue when baby father come outside for a no-gay platform immediately after baby father finish they call Sharon. They call Izzy. They call Izzy. They give baby father forget. Izzy they remind they talk am. So which one be say make the rest?
One by one, please. Hello, mama. Hello. Gianu opaka finish wa giamacho alawo mo.
Okay.
Gianu opaka.
Oga etiye Sharon ge tomagele.
But imagine you yes talk now.
Okay, talk auntie no.
La go I mute yan le go. La ba gianu la wo wa gemana macho.
Then
agbina jo wa gianu opaka ko agbon please.
Eke ni bi e kaje. E godi ya aga we Saga go gwage Sharon. Ije Sharon river. Tita me godi we arime. Do awe e Saga go gwana.
Question number 1. Question number 1. Can I reply question ni? Mama, what done? We're not done.
I want to reply you. This not concern you. Now you want to say that.
Hey, you're now. Oh.
When you're not mommy, the man you want to come on and act out you know what. I'm not sure when you remove your head.
Sis wa ma wono macho me ma bo like Saga. Me na ya fe aga Saga we ni. O ara na yi so ya go maduan. Me no kaba. O tan no humanity reply.
Okay, please. Mommy, I won't reply to her.
Please.
You see that question when you ask, so imagine now very good one because to me, I not feel that good thing. Wait, mommy, I don't even like make those children face the show face for social media. I don't want because who they find they need to find how they grow. Not be say I will come they show every day. They are on day to day how they grow. Now good things like not be your picking. Not be my own. I dey support. You understand? If you want make the see iya gwaliya me. Welele magbina wetie bonema we show it easy as for me. It's supposed to even look this pikin don't grow rich now. I wish I feel see am. Not be say I should dey post every day or they do video with I dey see and say vio hanamo say no hera no hije. You're not supposed to give them that thing. You understand? Since when I want to ask on a Saga way. And another way be say imagine for the question where you ask, you know fit tell person. That to me, if not me, I not go show the children. But you know fit tell them how they want it.
Sister, go another conversation go.
Okay. You know fit tell them how they want to raise, how they think they raise them. Because if you watch everybody when they do Saga, so all of them, they are picky, they their background.
No, so I don't understand the question.
I'm not talking about Piki. I'm not talking about that. No.
She
no,
not talking
I
about
understand
Piki.
I understand that say
yes. They go another way. Saga. We're not talking about Piki here. We want to matter one more. One of the list.
Where was the year na one you hear ya we Saga. I understand that.
She did here make it repeat and get repeat.
Okay.
Let's mute first, not verse.
You see, question
at the way.
Then now, correct question we have. Because Saga they grad already. You as a friend, you claim to be a friend. You come the house when I did. Now me go tell you say la go. See what happen to her child now. For that reason, I don't need quarrel. I don't need problem. I beg, not do this Saga for my house or stop. Do you understand? Because question where okay 2 o'clock you go deadline. You say you dey help. 2 o'clock you go deadline. They do Saga. Children first they show for them. It not make sense. Mama Sharon, we all will love her. We don't want me anything happen to her. Izzy, we love her. You know why anything happen to her? Nobody where will not love, nobody where will they throw away. Now why those sister now Lord they be? At least men will try, make peace reign. Men will not they do it, will not be APC.
When we try to understand, that way sentiment. What you understand? That sentiment.
Fight for this one. Fight for this one. No, men will make peace reign.
God bless
You
you.
know, the judge. The other one will come fight for God. The other one will come fight for Izzy. One not fight for anybody. Make peace for rain.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Okay, hold on 1 minute, abeg. Even Mama Sonia go say Mama Sonia agbina me ije Sharon. I don't know what to gbe o ni Saga ye aro. No,
Mama,
everybody need Saga.
you see,
God
sister.
bless
Hold on,
you.
hold on. When you were speaking, I didn't interrupt you. Let me just talk over we more. You know, I don't even maybe who are the Saga ye aro because the same time even Mama ta. Okay, when is here? When is here? When is when at the time when is here? Whatever otakpa na aro pa no eba where there iye Sharon Bola je no do away a live video. Wa mama iye Sharon Bola je no do live video, but iye Sharon mi ma no gugun which a man you prolong the matter here. At least I maybe iye Sharon way if I video way live video iye Sharon na po ma be ma no do mass speak correct na gwana na we ya we what po mi ya ba e da nya gbina ni ya. I don't understand. You understand? So even though she did came out physically, she's indirectly doing asking them to do Saga for her. But at the same time, we don't need that anymore.
You
know, but
sentiment is being arranged.
You know, and again, concerning that the body of a team, doing Saga in the presence of those children, that is totally bad. Imagine the Sharon, don't open up. I'm your money. Quit the anywhere in Saga. Even the woman on my. She stopped the girl there with the Saga. Fine. What am I know? You're going to always Saga. You done here, but oh, what it was, money, you know.
Even me and you back and Sharon. Sharon do agun because why na we go? They go na we Saga. When I can for over a week on my way bani. And we Saga. That is the point. Yeah, we work and Sharon, but why not? I get Sharon. I get woman we Saga. Why not type with like we get on? Or why Sharon
Mommy Sonia, I'm your one with Saga no re street here.
Okay, God bless someone. Why I did now? Yeah, reply.
Yeah, woman, why? But she's minding those kids at the moment. And I know that one not really concern me. I just talk, for example.
She's
not. Hold on, I bet. Enoge, they do Saga for
Madam bless him.
Hold on. I know what you are. Even me myself, I'm not in support. Mommy, listen, wait now. Wait, hold on.
Madam Blessing, wait.
I'm not in support of what she's doing. No, Mona, wait first, sister. No, I'm not in support.
I want to ask one question.
Okay.
How you go feel? You come home to your minder, sagging someone on TikTok, and you are not home. You just come home, you can't jam your mind that they do that kind of thing. How will you feel?
That is what I'm trying to tell you guys, that I'm not in support. If God forbid, may I not use myself to compare that thing. I'm not going to agree me all those children face showcase for social media. You get me? So not get it twisted. I'm not in support. But what I'm trying to say is this. Maybe I don't know the agreement, but that one not be the bone of the potential. She said, made them stop the girl. Not be that one. Even though say the girl go do the Saga. Okay, even though say the girl go do the Saga for inside her car, or she go rent Airbnb, go continue the Saga. That one not me.
It not concern me.
No go dey grand. So mommy, what I want to me, I go down, me or that person come up. I just want acknowledge the patience when you get when that guy just stand. And he bring all this many talk. Because we be the listing when you they give advice, saying yeah, where then if we na where then where they tie nana. Ima wa talking market. Ima wa talking market. Guy, in the only time. If the thing we want may stop. Maybe if the Goldie come out, shout wa. Enoge come out, shout wa. Izzy come out, shout we not climb up, we not contribute, we not comment, they go rest. You see, say after the dog talk, mommy wait now. After the dog talk, another person will carry and go analyze her. This one carry and go they talk. This one go come now they make the thing no rest. Now you be the truth.
Mama, before to me, since 5 days, I ignore it topic now.
Eh.
Yes, my
Be
wife
we
and
be
that.
Tana. You maybe
Hold on. 5 days in that. I don't know if 7 years ago, Saga, whatever. Any whatever, anything. They don't need the party with Saga. They know they're gonna work it, but Saga.
Okay. So I go take rest. You they beg matter. How did matter want take rest?
All they put in the corner
Ave de no bunoreti talking. Ave no de. Abinetia. Eboride. Ugbe. Ugbe. Amanagbon. Isibehi. Amanagbon. Eta was a de. Elviere nazose. Na here na ichunwe. Unwinya vision. Eminu wa eti take. Why you got tie?
Mama, make you rest. You know, see, okay, you see what with they talk so. As this Emmanuel now, they support Izzy. Now some other person go come now support.
No, not support.
No.
It's not what
you support.
She they support mommy good.
Nobody is a baby here. The same way you are also supporting Mama Sharon.
Thank you. That is it. Now that's what the team matter not go rest. Let what they try to tell you.
Okay. It's support that. Okay, now who gbeli ya gbeli we kara bi mana lutana. Ana nye who gbeli na gidi wa bizu we agogo ya.
One line there.
Yeah, okay, only see the wujo.
Ima when no more pa wujo. No, okay, you see the point now.
Ah, guys.
Yes. Wamudiane. I don't know Izzy. I don't know anybody. No, you see, say, mommy Sonia, you are a mother, right? Just please.
Yeah.
I know say you feel the same. I know they say maybe you understand me. Maybe your whole point of view is different.
Understand me well.
Yes, okay, Mona, listen to me now. You were when no one no we no here.
No,
anyway. No, anyway, one watana na.
Mama, hold on. In case I not buy wari edua. Yaka. Now, kwame yo manu. Now, please.
Okay, make me understand.
But movie, please.
Okay.
We're
making me understand.
Madam Blessing, I beg me still allow that people talk. I beg.
Hold on. Mama will not do that. Do what? Would that be sweetheart? It's supporting now. One when they know, we now beg up the American and analyze the while all the more. What continue? What support? What can we do? What do you analyze?
Mommy, when you not say the many people, yeah, wagwale saga, yeah, do afia, yeah, do fia, yeah, more Facebook, near ya, gwaligo. I'm not going why. When I turn na okay, what guy where they na? I'm not going to ye come up. I do as well as all of him, na. And then, Emanatana, Godin, Izzy, Sharon, Marok, there.
No,
so what do you carry headache for now for here?
Social media manamia, manavita. When my cabin in here, from this house.
No mama.
With the mother.
What don't they do NPC and PDP here? What's it beyond this ones now?
I'm only the
the other one can fight for this one. The other one can fight for this one.
Okay, Mercy, sister Mercy. Now you go make the matter not rest. You know why they talk? Because
Mercy, may you allow another person talk. Since I don't climb up, you never even climb up. Why I
if you want talk, you feel talk. Oh, I know you.
Go on.
Mommy, man, just quick contribute to my own cause they turn my belly.
Talk.
See, you know the problem that when you know our problem for this life, especially we Africans. Our Africans, we talk with emotions. Make everybody put their self for easy shoe. And make we put ourselves for Mama Sharon shoe. See, listen, the only person that can stop this whole thing is Mama Sharon.
God will bless you. I not
It's
get it.
Mama Sharon. I can remember vividly when Enogie come dey talk about, and the wife come dey talk about person when died. The person family come out say make Enogie not talk about him again, and Enogie
Yeah, it not
stopped.
stop.
If this woman had come out, listen, let me tell you something. Internet never forgets. These children will grow up to this thing, and it will give them psychological trauma for the rest of their life. Nobody, none of us that is fighting for them care about anybody. I don't care about Mama Sharon. I don't care about her mental health. She's an adult. I care about the kids, what they are growing up to come and meet in future. The internet never forgets things. If you listen, you see, the reason why we know they feel comprehend what Mommy Sonia they talk about now, because we they work with emotion. If we stop working with emotion, we will understand what she's talking about. Everybody should stop this saga, because if you continue this saga, it's still going to go back to Mama Sharon.
Mama Sharon!
Let's listen to comprehend. Let's not listen to contribute, please. Listen to comprehend and don't listen to contribute. I rest my case, I beg.
God will bless you, sweetheart.
Mama, good afternoon. May I talk, ma'am?
Where's the sweetheart?
Mama, what I want your stuff for this matter? First of all, who start this saga? Golden. Okay, fine. You can't say me person drop picture. Say you're not supposed to post, but you post. I be more this. Yes, something for start what they talk.
Yeah,
then your friend come outside. No get come outside. Come tell you say, Golden, this saga we want start. So you know as Izzy matter the sweet demo. This thing will come be big thing. I bear my sister. Stop. Person will really love person. You say now your friend ain't there. What thing God is supposed to do? He's supposed to die that matter, that moment. But you know that. It's how the saga enoge because enoge tell me stop. Okay, more see come up for there. Then that same house where the children they now if for they do saga, they swear for other people, children. When you know say now person children there with you, person when you they swear for your children, and not go look you country with face, they'll call they swear for children when you know born. You know still get that pity me. I say these children not my children that they swear for I they take care of them, make I stop, you know stop. Abi, what me we just see for this matter where I want to talk. If God really loves those children, you go stop all this thing. You go tell them lucky nice. May they stop. Because now God they bring things, they give them lucky nice. God is supposed to stop. Say, if not because of any other thing, because of these children. The baby father come and say,
guys. Hey, mama. One lucky guy at Balana, another gorilla video. Another chief ledo, 99 is the one the one. Also near me. Here Yagba one the here when I went. Another chief lucky guy in Japan.
Okay.
Of the gorilla video.
Mama,
another person. Just because of Sharon. Here when
and
lucky name don't make the name of the person like that. No, do 99 now, 1999.
Mama, you know the worst part of everything where they pay me for all this thing. What did they pay me for inside? Say, baby father come aside, apologize. Told me now stop because no they do this woman good.
Why the baby father not for apologize before? Not be something.
No, baby father, cast your phone.
Anybody when you talk about Mama Sharon,
sister violence, I talk my finish. If you talk when you they talk, I not talk.
One by one, please. One by one.
Good.
Mama, honestly, la monya page you my sister. And I can drop you about like to
Baby father,
more na mute na me person talk abeg.
Mala. Mama no more dey very normal eje. La wo je. Ima omo Jesus.
Baby father come aside. No get way carry matter like gala. He come and say to say indoor drop matter who get property say make the rest indoor rest I beg no na rest. If una observe and anytime we no get come aside now say I no want to talk about Sharon, I no want to talk about God because if I talk about God I see they talk about Sharon. But I beg me na rest. At least they're supposed to rest. Let the matter die down. Make them rest for the matter. But this one they can't go the wall 1990 things come aside. So that means now new they want do the thing fresh again. And those children, maybe they put those children for front. Maybe they like they reason and say if not their children, how they will feel. These children not get mama again. they're supposed to they guide their future, but all these things what they do with those children, so it no good. Okay, see this afternoon now, no care wife now the Saga Golden. Oh, he put the children. You see, put the same children, put the children.
Not care what the Saga do.
Yes, why the Saga? I say go send voice record. He said go send voice record. Go give go send voice record. Go give Lucky. Lucky come the plan. Before you know, you still put the same children. Mad than the Saga. You see what you do?
You see what I talk just now, mommy. They need to make Mama Sharon, since you get access to Goldie, may you tell Goldie say, do whatever you want. Stop bringing my kids or my grandchildren or her grandchildren out on social media. So all those Saga say, wag doe, no not doe, no not doe. Me, wait, they here, so you, mommy, everybody that work for their pockets.
Yeah, my yak, we go like one, and all yak, we go like one. I beg you. Yeah, yak, we go like one, and ya want that dog.
Madam, if you reach your turn,
Mama Joy, who are contributor?
I mean, at the matter, when I tell you, you're not Maria Barrow.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, na deba ero. Omuno who Donny my yake omuno gune. I dead omuno gune oma woma baloso posisi. Oh, no who no kiss your granny lads. Come on, no sweating. Come on, no ya go lawa. I'll bury ku inya yaw. Number 2, a record in Dame oi. Izzy, where etitebon where we are even atana because someone rock by movement, matter but no rock. Where get a mini jekawu is where taloma way. Is where it taloma way or my forward your way. When I go here cool. Oh, when I
finish the jerk please.
oh, when I over here, oh, when I over here as you say where. Oh, manu where is where boy. Israel boy, iya baku egeni ana je fabrica. Wedi le o na dori ovi e mo bo. O we na onu wedi ovi e enyi de kenojere. O me ke na be pass back in akina. E la koti ni me ya dame o gizi o ya me ya te egbe me ni tana. Ovi a ko geku e mo mosulele. O gbe mu egbe mi ni ju etama weni. Oro worion because ni na gizi me washi.
Okay. When you make us sing, you can't be casting out with you. Now, don't even you by back. But not the yard more. You don't feel more is the problem. I think I find ways on that from the it's how it's a more.
I go geku, I'm almost then of year, new way I cover the property. Ugmamishu work my wedding. Is maybe just Sharon wet, and it's just not forgetting no matter more ye. Is you were not a move. Where cock my ben over here? Understand me? I don't get now. Izzy or Leon to job war.
Yeah.
E can you see na do jane 90 bigiti. The mama la we podore. Oh, Leon to job.
You say mire.
Emi
because imagine that dog normally abe nya ropa keni ake si enene ije Sharon kadari ate ije Sharon ma la tin adogun ya gun o ma gun o ma la tin adogun ya gun keni since last year yin ake si since last year no mo na wa ya wu e ma ta ma gwe na geta wa ya be mo mo na wa tete kega egbu wa we o ga be ro me gbe wo ga be je e mata na ya fefefe ijo saloba ya imi ya weni ya mujo to no maria be eru wiyan o je we se o ni mut
baba láyé before I make it 1 minute mama joy ka no gbe mama no da gwa fo ba
iyan menu taje
o preserve ota na won ijo mama ya fe hin e so na gare last year na be ye we ye na da no bi so na my sister
ọmọ no wa ladi adogun
ìwé ìjọba náà ní sọ̀rọ̀
je yare group ni ana tell me na
o se be live video ni mami mo di ye keme ni mami be live ni mana ma gwanare family ni mami social media mana me group the name social media after many years I will do this one start that night na make it be understand na ko mana No sentiment.
I didn't start doing one joke because well, I get better platform anyway. You want to come? I'm talking now. I review my band. I view picture that from Ella. And I review. We now when you are at born money. Cause a god pan of wallads on me. But no na chop on him on social media. He may not go your way. But it's a born money.
No fear na go egwan because you use the sentiment ya gwan. Everywhere you go ever know because why and then you so no dey man na we don buy Saga we. A question man we baba na we man dey no na ye we answer. If okay, I'm understand that be mama. No, it's the same family, no, the family, no, in my social media, my young one.
Izzy
After a
awere
while,
bebola na mama Izzy. Omo ela
eh,
ze me ya sa we
but
because
I
Izzy
mean, your
omo
time, you
ela.
have it on Mama Joy.
Oh, I'm
Because I'm not getting, you know, in the country, but okay, now really not our country.
Mommy God no. Iya e
Izzy,
vase me.
go the way a postion is in Muyo, a postion in my say not change a popular anything. I am a postal or what that be a mommy in the first edge.
Oh, the work, answer, work,
That be a stress and we are pushing me. Yeah, you are. Woman, yes, show me there. No, so I'm mujo.
Me mu
Láwo
yo
lójú efi sọ̀rọ̀ ní agbẹ́ni yìí wọ ọ̀rọ̀ àbíyẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àkàwọ̀ ẹ̀ níyì náà mo làdí wọ̀.
Now, I must say, stop away.
Okay, nọ̀nà wà ní wàhálà ètò ẹ̀ náà ní mọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ dé gbọ́dọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ náà gbọ́dọ̀ wà dé.
Okay, when a god when no money, no only person no says money.
Ẹnẹ́ right. Ìjọ pàmì right, ìjọ sàrọ̀.
Why now do we go to every right no ya total ye by we Saga.
Láwo owó iná sẹ̀ náà drop ìwé. Láwa ó dọ̀lẹ̀ iná sẹ̀ náà drop ìwé. Ìtẹ́ láti wọ́n ní àgbọ̀ ìwé dùn. But who use the sense ma be Saga gwale mani de pengime. Buke drag Saga ku. Mani de wayawe yobe, nyebi yobe wayawe wo don la go ti ati ebo mi. Saga we gwa lo. E mani le side nyoko na Saga elio. No, man understand. Igba egbo la because I respect you as a sister.
Saga ya gwa le ni
Saga
aya
wa
si aye.
wa drag the Saga wa no igba imo respect we say. A sentiment na say na mara for moto. Mama ka mama ken o ko pe yeju eta but what agbon yari abi yes but o ma bi abi femi e so na for the last year really abi is easy babe am where the year na again na me right no can easy not take the picture on a sentiment no gbelu wa ba gbon ije good ije Sharon pa me right no can tie easy we drop that picture go take 2 years relationship on the contrary a 10 years relationship one now on a jealous in the year take why land e go to wait 2 years ago now near where me yeah Sharon we know ya come and work on it in Nota 2 good years when you come again for how many years we want to say 2 years go control one for how many years no drop a picture you just Sharon pan right when I use a bad sentiment
Hi my love.
beg you man manage the why need the suggest the me take the why we Saga you understand oh man women man like later go at here but I think it
Babe, I
cause
will.
you book your mama
Come on.
cause
Mommy,
that's
I
not
think
one
one.
o ma tell take o ma na wa gun the o ma we take na take gun
Mommy, where say who they will not every night, no, te matter, mama mi mojo ariko. Ihe mani de matter because onaria bonaria be na ewe wo agwa lo ibege ya de gbe ladu ko adu anya nyene
bo anya nya so bo ba se bo wa ni ko ni sa won si be pe bo gba ni ke alo ye kan da fun wa
be no da fun e ladi ave deri ogwe wa ewe wa ewe
bo ni ewe
e mani nyane iya gbo kuku e mani manya ya gbe la
awon
bolo
mo ya ki o
ya gbe la bolo
When I go out, well, I said, but not doing it, no matter better. Yeah.
e ya ri agba je
e sara ma le te ni ade na e ti re but da na no e sara mi ri ana you know say na
When I
business
why, when we get money.
The mommy, yes, Sharon, no, no, Kamiani, I have. Kamiani, I have. Why,
Your parents can be good. Your parents can be good, no.
no, I have, because I the bear tono, I the bear tono, no mamma, if no matter the whole do a home. I went and
Lawo now me reply mama, yere, mama joy. We say you tell me ba. When one, for example, we can have anywhere, easy time. Or we have a work body. Or we buy no be no serious again. Me we better. We are not talking here ban our time we boy easy now we do release of your banner. Hey. What can we easy more do? Well that kind of easy more do you know it time. Or what singing up begin. Ó ti yẹ ti ìwọ ni wàá ti push yẹn ìyá àwọn ni a push yẹn rò wí yẹ ló fi ya rẹ bẹ gbọ́ ẹ lè ya my sister ìgbẹ́lẹ̀ ṣàjọrọ̀ ọ̀kẹ́ máa push yẹn sẹ́wọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ fi afghan of fan dọ́fkan dọ́fkan fọ́ọ̀mù but that is it má yà á jọ kí jamana fi ayé ni a iye Sharon nọ please yẹ wẹ́n ti nọ ká ẹ abẹ́ gbé
Elizia be on me fo. Es kenanaro video channel when I go be a college of your go.
okay where the other not sorry but let me see kanaro iye Sharon
Yeah.
weta mi nena na mati the easy na na the other le je na ata imu o te mi video viral ya ba mo e lo je na le do yo to e lo je le we mi o me aji agbaja go na ba no ni ya ifa why dia tell me je
Me magi nya so when ya
no come this the tell me bubu ni ka so the lucky ka wa go we
when ya we mo na ya
like this time where you go come in.
wala wo ni ya o ni ja ta le ya
wala
e no je no ni le wo no be gbege aye no
no ya si lo mo nu ya so ni nu wa so ni wa egwe
we no je gbegbe no je do ma lo ni na no ya re ba but I respect that e ro momo I respect Izzy okay na gba en no give is gbege ba gbege yere abi ko ni ga ti gbo ne do e me ni ati ele no je ni ati ne ti ni si ugbogbe ni live video
When I'm a software,
because ya egwe
anytime I tell my mommy, I fed in the anytime
o sa ni me na gun ayo
you have son, yet if you have son, because of ballonic in Magmo.
we go my sister
Maybe I was so. Yeah, on damage boloko. Yeah, we are your Sharon on damage boloko.
wala
Mommy Sonia.
ma
Sonia. Oh, love is
yoji abudi ọ̀rọ̀
wa ba fun wa no die me wa love is ele me he ka ye me no do akun de kun soro bije ele me yeta okay a sentiment talking nini ya wata lo ni ono na re odo lo sentiment do ma na e je ye na here
ọ dị ma ebo ya ma ya re gwe
ise ye na here okay mama said oh lost ami jomo ami oru opa no ogogo no lost o ma no yeah but there are some kind of things no ma keke no ma when a saga no ma keke no come up in the year na at all they say what your bolele
why when you ja uva na
madam dia evani go din na we saga ije ma se no time where Godin, stop it.
Lounge ọmọ nu gbe bia bo gwa se ti agun egun ase ti
madam why wale social media wa agwo ma gwa be
Jane wa we Izzy ma mata ije Sharon ma
wala mo mo wala mommy ti wa ya mommy ti wa ya eleni mama joy you take almost 25 seconds hours egbe no but o ame ni gan wo night is gan na ni ba eyin no bu wa
oh we watch robot watch
gbe no ma go please everybody ask what when one bala do whatever my young my we listen to you why now Ah, well now, nobody no need dinero.
Daddy go, I daddy go see everything.
God bless you. No, only matter a matter na. Social media mana me na ya fe. Ni ye Sharon okoro, na anybody koro. Me ba ma be duta. Ye no me oge ma ya ge mi opa dopa. Ene so na me ye ti me do we ge. Ube se gbe no me ta. Please. Agwa can buy my sister. One ge mama ni green re page no kala wa ga we respect no. La even ya fe we kan ya dan yo. Ya dan yo. No.
Mommy, niwa ya atwore because veni meje, o me veni me yari zie matari me, so ni ya continue with that me, yo, you don't toto.
Wala. No, na ge do ma fo na e te ro no ta la wa ge wa gun a. Mo again, I can reply, but Mama no road no ye white. A
Anybody know
pretty
that back by your man, no more money to.
now that 30 will be added respect in your mama for me. Here you are gawe. Man, wagwan.
Mo kya te reply ba mama.
Harry
Ya
Guaje.
eti
I'm not told
so
him one reply.
ma ni we na si ade ma egwa. We ni mama
Guaje.
ni do taban we ye Sharon mighty time eh oda na be asiti ni yin.
It is good, it is good, it is
Goat,
good.
goat, one of guy when we born na go the heavy or momo maybe na ye sharo time I walk maybe your ma or marry all those see. So ye sharo here ti fear me because they go the or momo understand maro but no go ya
Now,
baro one.
1 minute in them, no water more. Where in English Sharon, if you have your momo, Abi.
Yes.
What's your zone? I talk where Sharon will be ela de uwa. Liz dinamo. What is the original for Sharon will be ela de uwa the golden? Since Almighty will go. It is when he just Sharon up with Sharon will be a not that easy mulawa. Almighty will go. The God is yet in the uwa. But Almighty with Sharon will be a golden. One man one. In not a question ask.
Okay. Me le bono pare. Jani me le bono pare
Oh, I
answer.
know
Maybe for example banana although where a go the banana don't know can no can
my sister,
I
let
do
me
ko
tell
don
you.
tani.
Then in a wazoo, whatever, nothing more pay rent. Wakamu Wamele Ladna, eat the ticket to Bawa. I will even send you to Nigeria. It is possible. Like Maritama, Ogio, Imogu, Iguaere, a year Vera, Ireke Nake, at least didn't marry like the Mati, me. The Nana Yakuna, the Bobo, my sister, I care for not the good love. Because you are not carrying just Sharon like your Bobby. Only my phone was a yellow nana. I don't know, set away Banakaje. I bet you one young man, and you go to doctor. You look when one now, only I remember. I went this one, they offer
Ba me
catching.
me
Okay,
ka de
one
na
other now, another matter, wait, Ben or one guy, get when we go to family, or again of Gualo. Where that can go? I
de
mean,
be.
okay, then I can another one, with Ben of one of myself of where warrior.
Agboyare Facebook, ani no ma
No,
mere na.
let me tell you, in your father goes, you will give your time against or one guest around on your time and young Bovi back. Is your mother there? What my mother is Padania. Why they are bending? Then they go to Namo Bobo, or when White House I have built. You have a little with Sharon, a color with Sharon, get a different because of we and White House. And they follow up, just like with this, you want one. Almost about calling my sister, where master no Nadia Hamia will, or we entity, sorry. That is it. Even say we forget. You are just, we move forward, we just 2 years. 2 years friend. We can't remember one of Caro Luis no Cariba. Well, it's your mama, ya therapy. And you sort of know that well and the root your word. What be it? I'm not a meeting of any money at your bomb or talk. I'm a son, I yell a pack on a room, married is what will be my. I will my young lady. We have never topic na the program also is the man who take where. On my saying, I am a control wrong. Then he's taking of me that no my yard question. Ya get him mad, but
Mama mo ya mama.
I
Yes.
man no, I know I want to ya. No, give me no one, no, no,
Bakumese je
that's
kwani
true.
ture o. Baba fa.
Abu Kaji.
Baba fa o.
I'm okay, Mama G.
There is Emily Mehiantavo Inya. There is Emily Mehiantavo where Otapman is there is ne Lizinata where Emino Gwyn. Ijo mama ya mana won fe ni re mana e ti de ba oropa but
No, you can't. What's your mind when I
mama
think?
e gui biye gumeze ge gwan
I will tell my way. You
go
will tell
di
my way.
I'm not in support of that. Mama gumeze get talk women itori I'm not in support of that but
Hold on, hold on,
easy no
hold on, mommy to it. Why the class not touch just get to when you told it. What you romance and no need to pay, no worry. Please.
Come on me.
I
Mommy la
control
ya
it.
seti gwa.
Oh, I'm
Come
one
on la
water.
ni.
Now, hold on. Anybody
Okay.
notify or I one water, a gualo. Get to when I told me any money they pay me. No, I got to the job you thought and I was master who don't make problem in my life. The idea anyway, anybody want get to the enemy. Like one you
Mommy,
are.
mommy, I go Tana.
I mean, when I know, man. I didn't get to I didn't get to
Mommy mo ne why provoke
Because
e wala.
yeah get money yeah get na ya ta yeah wa
Hey,
na go
I
back
really from
on
the I didn't get to I didn't get to me. I told you. I will come away. I didn't know what I mean with time. I didn't want to. What I want, one year, one month.
Come on me la ni. Itu wa o wala ni. Matter na. Little back agwamba before my way came to Rotte on Abuture because almost the same thing here tita. A matter na fure or wake na magia gwa your way mataji. Ijo mono mudia una itizi gbe na rat saga o mono wu nevi ibi no ragmo. Imaya ye no gbano. Aga dobo mewe e godi of the money ladian o ma we with that but ona ori do like saga ni. Ari de gbedwa boy de gbedwa de yu igyo wa heavy ya o tie ije Sharon me right no here tie a good to order o me right because the idea we ije Sharon or wa mute we na me ya me ma understand that part me ma understand or confuse them and ibon o ye matter na cause Saga no we rena eve pe na we ta wo na me fu no de ya we gbe me mo we latin iya me gbe Saga no gugu ne ijo mo no ro balo we tita wo o vi me ono na wo gba bege Saga ni wada so wa la wo mi ese hu ate wo egui la e o balo yi je jeni ya no story we no wa so na la vie mo la wa me via me iya gwa loge Saga ijo mo mata arovie monu biele denia maita ubi ave me 1 minute video or 2 minutes video iye Sharon maseti we but no we dey strong ne to take the wo wala wo imagwalo na emi o se o avo go the no pa we ya fe ya se gbizi na ri emi buni to me Izzy e Sharon ke wu Eman me mo bo ami emi was easy na a video here and there. Aga we na gwalo oman mi ro bo kakabo easy na no.
One
But
man.
most times in easy ya gwa, the most times here emi so platform ya gwa. That gay they use wisdom they talk.
Oh.
Oga no pueno e ya lihine. A sentiment or brimani bugbe ne ginya ya temata. The sentiment aga making a matter je una yana dobo me no tie self you ekwega hunya. They will not be happy because somebody is not dancing to your tune. Everybody agoya tiwa lobiana wa viun da bokpa. That don't me no ya reason my dowe. Easy ni agwale moto me most time me have me big way is not in line with easy or man like a trading run because emnisi obugbe. She doesn't want to talk. And no a book, they should let her be. She doesn't want to talk, and they should stop pushing her to talk.
Yes,
They should
you
stop
regret
pushing
that.
her because everybody may a limit of what they can take.
Oviera ga we a meta hate you or we can ya push ese or with the pata with my late friend. I'm so sorry, but I have to do this.
I'm sorry. I have to do this. So phone.
You can say they should stop it. When you are here, EJ Lizzie have right to stop every nonsense. EJ Sharon me to say she have right to stop every nonsense. On my right, that good lady should not be mute. Obesity wa maybe Saga omono you na go picture money seminar again. My wife as a celebrity. I cannot even watch. I can't even stand to watch that lady's picture. You are saying no to you are mute. Mute for what?
For what?
Mute for what?
Yeah,
there's a good if you Saga. Is it a crime for people to say Vimolawa? It's not a crime. It's not a crime. When you are since the mother cannot come out to say anything, let them rest and let them stop pushing Izzy. We are going to push her because here pushing. A lot of people know where Izzy in Nobu because she was very close to late Sharon. When you are going to push her, when you are so very I will say don't be a native. Oh man, or say Mosim, I am using no one more the person when we are very young. Or say, why you think Janoma Savage?
Papa boy,
or say, oh, me, why was in the Ayo Bon Suduta? If you run no, we was
God bless you, Jay.
It was semen, no, say, why you roll? It's just for more la Jackie Como or when a man not Napoga took so no man Yagoya Heku. In Jomo no near baby moiti me my Yako Mofa, no matter the situation. Or say to the Lawa, is that a big crime? A Sharon Kedokba, Oga is even a Govije. We also the friendship. Even if the one let's judge by the one in Maga on social media. If Sharon, if Izzy were that bad, Sharon would have a limit of their friendship. But no. Obviously, the one second guaone ota waking you'll be.
I'm a new boy, wow. I'm a new boy, wow. Just a friend.
ATJ Jogopo, Etojoge Pastor, and I can is your bomb.
Yeah, go better weapon you have your name, boy. Or see, I will be nana.
I don't my sister.
I weapon on a woman whether of one. Why go better weapon? Why have your weapon, Ladia? Why are not sponsor a Binabira Canira?
Go show Messi, Winnie allow or say, Winnie Ahegwe or say, Amaru DJ, Amaru Demo, Walao, Winnie allow,
Rude money, wala.
This David done a shadow in Wahuna, no, Magi gear if yet to so mujoto.
No, niggas don't know what I do. When a page in I'm more gravity. I got
my home,
I'm not going oh, you was some okay, my when I leave because then I because he went away with it. They were my yama, the one is Saga, but I'm not okay.
Mommy, you just type, but where so you wear a Saga?
Amen. Or 10 more. Oh, time.
Mommy, yani mamujo toni. Okay. Yani maimia ya muyoto.
Wala wo. Okona ya kuku ye Sharon. We mana muyoto.
Wala wa muyoto.
Utoto egbe ni. Because when I am bobu ye so.
Mommy, mi o pa ne. Sorry, mommy, mi o pa ne go pa tare dorio. O we je Sharon that time anyway. Ana setiri ovi yen la di abi di. A saga, ni as continue a saga.
It's a start. Okay, anything, man, just time.
Afeni aye. Well, now
Man,
we did tell me me
Jesus
kwen
Christ.
e matana. Wonder that's why
body.
we osa this person start most of things ni atita. Wakare ya kwane.
Okay.
Understand? My sister is your bio erere gwewe.
Akaboya ko boye.
Understand?
Wesi mama, wesi. Wesi.
Understand? Where ije Sharon where tigwe ilesi gode kwa where omomo. My sister, iderije gbeme ya wigie mi. Beni megije na osero de tuome. Yari wina. Iga yari wina. Oseni o vivi me o ya we saga. Ado come me we ya rebi no sunu o. My sister is ye gbeni kaso gwane ikole la obi awo sunu. Do ado saga we so saga we. Ejeme la wo vie la wa. Iseti. Egbe wo me ni. Iseti.
Exactly.
Nuko yake ni yake bime. Umana be ina be so gwane zebi mo na gwa me. Umana be ina be so gwane uye.
Okabo.
Waje o waje na ke saga obi me saga. Ya wa be hore na wonu de be on. La go. Ye ke me gwa. Why do stop a lady ni gagele love a money then stop
Exactly.
stop the other side ni be oni be gun akewo concerning oko di oni ara amugaga. Number 1, have a boyfriend or girlfriend ekoni rowodo imi kan gugun aba wa bo da fun na gbagwi u wa na je ezo ya sendo di ogegbe wa la wa ga seto ni wa delete in next minute am I no also know that no be our no who na delete they will choose that audio against
you.
then ukpo give ani bi oni gwa kan bo aware stress yes emetagele no ufian gbeji stress no oda fun ina ga mu stress ni omo ama erere na mu ye ije no keke na be dori sabo na be dori ejo ewewe ije ge ni ije marero mu amari ekegbe omo na ikino ito boy ile adori ba ebe na isebe ni aka ege no keke ni jo momo yari ebe egiri ebe
allegedly very high.
But the mommy when I wear now I'm here we both going in this one. At the mommy when I wear now.
Agwa yeme my sister.
Years old.
Oga so we gbenu be gun yen gun amo.
No so kuta yu nwero e we ya fe mo nu. Ne be gwa we saga be ragbon na my sister.
La mama de do we saga.
Ogumeto we nya sister sha we nya ka gwe egbe bonya na we no sin egbe. We ya respect it. Ne ya fe. O be so we gbo be talk we. Understand? Okay. They tell maybe we no or give a stress in it. Be no that be any. Ijeri or you carry unji or your border that you advice erere ka abo mu ye gbe. O na mi we nyeti kemi jinye bo pobedian. O na ti ke mo do pobedian. Iye na ka erere da ka abo do mu ye. Iye ke do podi oni. Egbese ga. O ma ise ti is yon. O yes podi oni ge mo no podi oni ge. Because why? Oh, mommy, nobody was there. The depression was too much. Maybe more of a way. That is him travel. Ora agwe genaro all true. I have that belief. A travel no do travel be ya fe ni. You understand? So I blame Izzy or Magume. Ijobo obierete you where nevertheless wala wo wagamu yoto osunu ne oni osunu ne mi ya fe no sunu na dadore oya me enwe ime wa derebo eri gwan se o wa koyo
mama no reply with my wet gwana.
Hello, come on me.
So
Anytime you know when mommy when I wear matter you will be ezo. Ezo no we gbe ba ni sister. Thank God wa we ma say to. You know what I say? I will give you ni understand. Where door open up my jaya wa da fun egbe a. Where DJ condition o ya aje a. Ijo mo ma ya fe he.
When the Sharon je ma show open up my je. Mother ka we ga blame me je gbe mo mi wata si na iwana ni alawo ni amu ezo yo to. Ude mo na ri na mo ni na no. Na la na ewe were oni. Sharon mata mi je je ki ti wazi gbe no ruwe pensi were o. Ije marere. O bi le toke.
Ọgọ ni mi a le support we. Ibi o my so yan go an. Ibi me o le ya. Ẹ tẹ́ ẹ go ahead. Ibi so ẹ̀sùn ní akédo àti. Akédo àti. Yes o. Honestly, yeah, honestly, manata na we nobody no I'm just not again. But my eternal way.
I may say,
So,
or see, now
manana,
say, no, I can't even hear
I love
cry, but
Yeah, ije kwe ugo yo na bu ona bu Elizi e ti je kwe mo mi re nla wi je o wi je gin ere nla wi je mo mi
another topic mo akwa de gba we home na ma be home na de
gbe me e me ka mu we ban we o no wa hen aka bo gun ayi o ma hun wa dan me dan mi o si mo mi ere gi o wi je confirm ere jo mo mi ere gi o wi je Elizi we ka me no wi ade ije dele ba elele vi o akia e Sharon pa so always say ba ai ba na si lele ije te lele akia se de gbije jaba ije je de bi ka me wo ma yin ri do wo no ji ezi je bi me wa lele mi a e Sharon na ije
we la.
no be lies e jiyan we na la ya re ba yan mommy iwe Sharon natural te lele jare do no jije zije e de e che Elisa go be yin ye o le mo be ni mi awe go gboli so gbe gboli si ere lawo ije boy na lie ere lawo ije mo
Ni akesi we Saga ma na we.
because ije mala ti do gwan ni a o were agwa banya wo were gwan ere lawo ije be ere ya lawo ije o si Elisa so tore kedo ade ama me no do tore side ya no pa e Sharon gu na nya do zenu nu I mean no se
La rejo hello. Mama no we do tayo na. No we do tayo na. No we tasi o ge ya. What's the reason?
okay
We Lize o
okay
to.
mommy okay
The Frank me Monica ta Elize of your near.
well
Hello, Mama. Good
The Frank
afternoon.
the Frank me Monica ta Elize of your near. Good afternoon, my love.
Good afternoon. I
Frankie
bet I fit
Monica
contribute some more. I
Even
beg.
the Frank me Monica
but
ta
wait
Elize
mommy dey talk
yeah, and
okay
a question you contribute 1 minute. Even the Frank me Monica retired though Elize of your near.
yeah well the mama is of your name ni mita gwe I mean say no je mi oni mare do zenu nu
When
ya
Lize no wa violent ya.
e
Ena
because
we
awu je da ko fi wo na re we eluzi ere to we ere o wa gin na ade ba ni e no we je ko
okay,
fi wo ni o te
well,
matter
on the Monica ta Lize is it truth? Erio mono na erije mono na is it truth?
won ere ata we Saga no
Oh
ni
yeah,
ere
it's
ata ya
Saga.
Maro pro pare
we
ba.
Saga no
Saga
ere
ya.
ata ni ya aro yo mo ya we dey pay but on say boye we Saga no
Well,
me
okay.
mo
Let me
boye
I
me
talk. I
Facebook
beg. I
no
want
ni
quick
me
comment. I
Facebook
beg.
Okay now. Hello. But if you don't talk,
Mama
they go ask you
Eli,
question.
why that one where you talk just now? I want debunk now lie. That first pursue wey
like mama
pursue
has
her.
born you no fit
That
tell me
one
say
dey
na you dey
different.
there
Get that mama, get
That
that
one
one
wait
you
now
answer.
because now
no
wetin
okay
you
ma
hear now you take dey talk so because me dey follow the matter you understand. Now wait the first time we take pursue her no be fire don enter house fire never enter house for that one you dey hear me that one dey different that fire dey different you understand I know say that fire when you dey talk so that one really happen but that
okay
first
thank
time
God
but that first time
thank
that
God say it
pursue
happen
wait na that pursue when you dey talk so na Sharon come say wan go meet one of him brother for Torino
To
so
reload
Sharon
it.
senior brother na come tell Sharon say make go meet Izzy for house
Easy.
for
You have
that
to do
pursue
that.
wey mama first pursue am for
For
that
that
first
pursue.
time you understand that fire dey different
They
that fire
different.
I know if that fire really happen but no be that pursue wey mama pursue and that fire for
I be here
happen
my
you
sister let me still
understand
talk just now thank God say you still bear me witness say that one happen
yes
like that
but
one
that
me
fire
here
no be e cause am the mother pursue am that one no just dey wetin
Agwane
mama
ma
take
we
pursue
gwan.
am that one dey different you understand una dey talk matter the way e take happen you understand wetin me wan talk for inside be say wetin come be Easy o na as far as say Sharon dey alive Sharon no bring that girl come outside one day say Easy na bad friend you as somebody wey you be mama somebody go fit do friendship with you 10 years you no know whether na bad friend to you or no be bad friend it's not possible as me dey so person do friendship with me for more than 10 years I no know say that person na bad friend that mean say the person is not a bad friend You understand? More talk this matter the way they be. Now talk they bring talk. The one talk just now say Izzy say it with the game mama no fed the play before those kind of stuff. Waiting happen. That one not day matter when they happen now. You understand? Now golden I bring issue come outside this year. One of the talk matter the way it be. Una supposed correct golden now. This Sonia now Nokia woman. If the Saga Sharon children are just because of Goldie, waiting just to happen recently, just go they fight Nokia
only one like only one like.
You understand?
Okay.
It's not good.
Not fear now.
Okay. More forget who wrong, who not wrong. More forget because we are not there. Let's say the way people they talk and now say we not there. Waiting happen we not there or we there. Enoge don't rest. Now people when they drag Mama Sharon and Golden now don't rest now. Why the rest no rest? Why Frank no rest?
3 days. It's 3 days.
Why Frank no rest? Why Golden no rest? Why Golden no go beg Frank say I beg daddy the way they call her daddy this matter now no get don't rest now beg anybody where they fight for me now mona rest. You understand? But una say Sharon mama dey in pain. Sharon mama dey in pain but when this Saga fair come outside now Sharon more than I give information to Monica. When they talk the way it be, when they join one side, they beat one side. See, mommy, host mommy Sonia. If you want evidence, I will give you evidence. He get one video where be say I see when they scroll, they go for my this. Frank thought say the record where they play when Sharon talk. Now one girl, now call it saying get that. Wait, now me I talk, mama. Now I see one video, Mama Sonia. If you say me I send that for you, I go send that for you. I see one video when Frank talk say that Sharon audio. Now one person call it and say he get Sharon audio when he send give am o. The girl call talk say he no go fit send Frank that audio direct, but he go send that to Mama Sharon. If Mama Sharon want make the audio leak, he go send that give Frank by himself. Now Frank tell her so okay. Now Frank now that girl take send that audio give Mama Sharon. Now Mama Sharon, if Mama Sharon not give God the go ahead, that record did not go come outside. God did not they do anything. The mother of the dead person. You understand? And they follow this matter, they follow and they go this some of the one will come up on the lie just because of say not like that easy. It's not good. It's not person picking too. Una here when go to the talk say get one kidney, the girl they stay 3 days for house, they stay 3 days for hotel. You understand? See, let me tell you something. Mommy Sonia, I beg no verse. I don't say my time don't go no verse. As you get so as a mother, if you suspect say the person where your pikin they follow play now evil person to your child. As the girl they coma, when Mama Shadow go they say Izzy they go, and you know say this Izzy is not a good friend to your pikin. When Mama Shadow still they say Izzy they go the hospital. Why you not tell Izzy say no go hospital? Say he there as a mother, he go fit do it by himself. Now Sharon don't go now. He they talk say Izzy na bad person, not be bad person. See, let me tell you one thing. What Izzy they take? So if na me, I know if he take Cambo. If na me be Sharon friend, waiting we don't take talk everything. And for don't bring her come outside. You know say that the Saga is the mother. Do you know that? You know the Saga is the mother.
Yes, so I don't see him.
Sharon, God did not get her to test. See, let me tell you one thing.
Everybody rest so.
Friend will be say I don't follow play more than 10 years. You when don't come follow and play for 2 years because they tell me say I not get her to post my friend any picture one post. I not get her to post her. God is not right. I will say that Mama Sharon now you come outside say Maisie drop that video. I'll tell you, mommy, you are right.
You are right.
You understand? God does not have any rights. Mommy Sonia, I beg you, did this TikTok. If you still destroy people, they born for hospital. The picture where they take born, they post her. As far as say that picture, the woman was okay. Shadow was okay there. He put picky for chest. Nothing do that video or this thing where Izzy post. Sharon not there that hospital come they cry or may want to maybe anything stupid there rather that for that video. Then they post video today. Then they post video where woman take born for hospital. Mona they talk through say that video is not good.
Everybody not one way you write. Everybody all of them.
So Mona they talk something the way to be. I beg. Una be mothers. I beg una in the name of God.
We're muting now. We're going senior. You understand?
I know they join Izzy, I know they join Golden. Me, I know they even comment for Saga when they go on for this social media. But this is my first time. When I think they comment or they do anything or call they come up. I know they do one. You understand? How you see say this account where I think they talk so I don't put my picture because I don't want my person go they match my family picture because they insult my family because me when be say I never feel back car for my parents. I never feel build that for my parents. So I don't feel allow one person come because of me. They breed their picture, they come outside.
Yeah.
Me because they beat them, me because they insult them. You understand me? When I talk something the way it be, you know understand? Not be, you know not good, you know no Izzy. You know not fit say Goldie was Izzy was a bad friend. Goldie is not the good friend. See, let me tell you something. As a lady, as a human being, when you be, if you want a person, you don't need to publish and before you don't say you dey help. You understand? I would say even what they call am go they bring all those children even they come outside me when they talk so I go see they go right for you go say I go you do well inside this you do well say they appreciate am you must not bring the children come outside you say you dey help your late friend children because of you that they insult your late friend children. See, let me tell you something. They say now because of person now because of something because of person they do something go they do Saga Mo, I be small pikin. I not talk to Mama Sharon. I not talk to you because you see me where you be like mother to me. You understand? But inside there, so if you want give your, I don't say me somebody not come help you for us. Based on say you they work, you get back. As a mother when you be, you not go feel let person when they do Saga. When the social media is not responsible, because they take care of your children. They because of that. See, if God do not feel leave Saga just because of her friend when it done late, she not love Sharon children. She not love Sharon. You understand? We not say Sharon they post the pikin. We know, but not be like that. Go to that girl social media. Go check. Count how many video now pikin day. You understand me? More they talk something the way it be mothers I beg. I don't say who they insult Mama Sharon say it day right. I don't say who they insult God day right or who they insult is it day right. Everybody na human being. Now blood all of us they use. You understand me so? So as no get don't rest now. May go the people rest. May they rest. I go see Sonia now they carry Sharon pikin they come outside they insult Sharon pikin because you know fit tell me say as me be so if God come family trouble God never born now pikin when they take care of them we go insult you know fit tell me why insult you beat me I cry you know fit tell me the one take beat me you go cry no whether you understand me. So if God do not want insult to those speaking, make you know they do Saga again.
What it concern children? Why if you go to
Madam,
talk to you go
nobody go tell me who and why insult.
children put.
Nobody go tell me who and why insult. I not go to insult my own children. Nobody go tell me who to insult or who not to insult. You understand? Because God never born. So people go see that pikin for target to insult God back. If you don't know, not be the way they think, not be the way they think. Not be the way you go take react, not be I'll take react, madam. You feel no insult that should based on say not be God the born, but me feel insult her. Based on say if I insult her, I go take pay God.
My sister,
understand me?
I want ask question. I beg, no vex.
I beg if you ask us, I'm go say ask my own.
I beg.
Be free to talk now.
I feel just quick ask this question. You see, thank God say Sharon gets mother. Let's just assume say, for example, say Sharon an orphan. Let God put that alive to take care of those children. If Sharon were to be alive, like say, I want leave children, give somebody, I go. Who not say Sharon go give those children? Now God, I be na easy. Okay. This one where God just start before Saga start the bring am. Me, I know they move by busybody capability friendship. Eye service, he can never move me. Make Godi enter house. Make she enter house. You should not see my verse and make she enter house. Mommy Sonia allow me I'm not akpa. How do you have that boy? Sharon beer cake now that by 1 year now. Since when Godi case one bag no money, you know what money over me where am I near Mudena?
But I remember say one of the toxic people they Saga Mama Sharon say he knew not speaking. But I remember say he never even reach a week when Mama Sharon lost speaking. Go the don't fake Saga ram.
My sister, wait, may I enter this point? See now Facebook I enter just with my phone I see where no get post something just now when gold first cited the insult Monica for the beginning.
Only the
Okay.
that the video ban. It goes in and I saw Monica. You can't tell like the guy. What?
Yes. Now that one be the players and you know what you know what I pick for them now what's not the top for you. Now she with Izzy they talk, which is Miss God and the
Yeah, they support Izzy.
now two of them talk. You know what Izzy do? Me I tell now sense where Izzy get when Izzy get sense
Yeah.
as that they talk for that chat. Izzy not the insult, but Miss Golden was insulting Monica. Do you understand?
Listen. On the me no wash me. Mo wash me. We man wash. Mo suppose not here, but it go to wash your call your body again. No matter there. I was some but then I want wash now. Why not change me?
Okay, so that one come pass me wait there now I be Baba Arrow wait the Torino. Now my cousin be that one. But the same is Golden now. He go slap her. I think last year, barely this year, where they go post her. And that story of my brother with Miss Gold, it did my finger here. But it was say, I be person wey say they look for trouble, or the way the saga they go. I for that carry I go give a nogi. How that issue they come up.
Okay.
But I not get my closest person. But I not do one. The whole world that they hear wetin I dey talk so. My brother, when you go they fight, wetin she no go fit do people for Nigeria, wetin fear no go let Miss God do for Nigeria. He do it to my younger brother. Okay. You understand? So and wetin lead to that thing, me I get am.
Okay,
yes, I beg.
But you saw this is now me sit there here now. Me sit there now. They say make everybody lead this man.
You dey talk and sis, make everybody rest. Not us, sis.
Mama.
Best mom.
Baba Labo.
Waya
domo.
Cause you're both
no waya la do.
Well, they was able to
Wetin make me enter up? Izzy o, Mama Izzy o, Cody o, anybody at all. We don't relate to that family. Let's say Godi now, they take care of the children. I don't know Godi, I don't know Izzy. I don't know Mama Sharon. I know Sharon, I know her for movie, I don't know her for real life.
Yeah.
Every way, I don't wear any leg bone or do go.
Yeah.
It meaning for English say any word wey be say you don't tell person, the person want tell another person. He go must put story join, he go put something join, and we go make am sweet because nobody for this life they talk as another person they talk. Now only computer, now they feel they relate or voice record. What people for voice record? If the person want play, he go talk and you put on a voice record. But if now human being now you tell, you want go tell another person, no be you take send down, no be so you want to go talk. Sometimes that person fit get heaviness of mind just as once he start talking and say wetin happen between your cousin brother and Godi, he get am for atatobo. If you na bad person now, let's for example a year story, maybe for example now even the Godi not know whether you get the tea for atatobo. If you want to talk something wey concern Godi, I hear they make this now so you fit come add sugar or you fit come add salt. I'm just making an instance because why maybe you don't get belle for the person that one aside. So what do you mean they talk about them? The people wey be say they insult Sharon children. Now those one I be problem because everybody no fit dey think the same way. My own thinking now just dey talk so, and I believe say na the right one because why? No be Godi get children. If you get problem with Godi, you result it with Godi. If to say na Mama Sharon, na the person even dey follow get issue now, he can't dey talk to Sharon children. I go still consider am someone say because why they say na a grandmama because that one na a blood direct person. If you dey think say okay, if you dey cause the pikin, you go dey pay the grandmama. Maybe if you see there is neighbor small, but not really because na stupidity now call those things for you to dey cause small children. So if you can't say because say everybody a lot of people they talk now say because say he thinks say if he cause the child and children he go pay Godi for body because say na Godi na they take care of the children now. Godi na they take care of the children and so what? Now Godi na be the mother of the children.
Hold on. Not be everybody. No say that the
I say some people, as some
everybody,
people they talk so.
because the woman
No,
and get another one. Okay, okay.
it
When
way
you
as some people they talk so, as some people they talk so say because say now God they take care of the children. So if they cause Sharon children, you go they pay Godi. No, it's not supposed to be like that because why not be God get children? Iyobo, when I made the okay, Iyobo Godi leje, the benenemo. Iyobo ni no genie. Even if that means we are out of your money very only, or my down working for you to dey insult those children we not get mother. When busy una know as their mother take die, una dey insult those children because say no be mother you even get problem with now, no be the grandmother you even get problem with now, you get problem with another person that is Sharon friend because the Godi now as they tell the talk and Godi na Sharon friend. She was Sharon friend.
Well, my sister, no say me no dey support nobody, but him and marry in Nigeria. I fit ask you a question.
Yes.
Okay, Sharon, the reason I go away for Izzy because he's not near Sharon. And the reason I go away for Izzy. I'm not going to nominate you now.
Mama, Otaluwe name.
Now your question,
Otaluwe
you can go.
na question that she answer. He say
The reason I go away for Izzy.
Wije Sharon kekebe kekebe Godi. Uwe the reason ya go mwe Izzy.
More no time or everybody go together. Sorry.
Domo no no we domo no go mwe Izzy.
Everybody go to the family now. Ìwé ìdírísí na go mwe ebogbe Izzy no dey Sharon. Sorry. Maybe made a mistake.
Okay, you can make the mistake. The reason ya go mwe bogbe Izzy bane Sharon because where Izzy ve Sharon or say yagahi. So emini aviola dia social media misunderstanding or ga wore yan lawe commotion are mistinya. Idema because Sharon na oladia do gwan the social media. Ori do gwan then Sharon ladia do gwan. Ije Sharon ma ladia do gwan we korokoro but iya wo vie information na we ave presenters only iya we you send the information giya even when we na wu that's if natana iya we you view the information re but holy my ladian physical wo with camera dagbe when easy ladian 1 million times do gwan maybe easy ladian do gwan based on where okay eminia they tagging over here maybe matter because tomorrow maybe on over see and we are na ladian the social media do agwan so when over ladian do gwan ni a repercussion over amievo even because me ya no matter oye even ni megwana na then ni megwana I don't swear to
God give me repercussion or dey wait na wona.
Oh mama a god na me repercussion they tell you god in a god wa be direct eyan tebo na we god ladian iya hon ovi o ma be because ovi o ma be yan tebo na where say you we ya do aro you we
Mommy, I think come in a beg. May I come in? May I answer this woman? May I answer mama question?
Okay.
What can I tell? But no, we are no give.
No give.
I mean, we're trying to
hold on.
No give the problem with
the mom I go understand. Say everybody know they think the same thing.
Sister, wait. Speak English. Wait, me I first talk about it after. Mommy, mother question no about. Mommy, mother question no about what was there. Ni na table ne Izzy. Ni dey by the but family Sharon or Ije Sharon do table Izzy. Oyin na ge wan gbon to me ona we dey by bona we na taxi ona we dey by bona or table Izzy. One moment.
Mommy, I beg. This sister.
One gbon
You know, say, Mama Eli.
It's a side now.
Mama Eli. Wait to that.
Only a Saga.
Wait. Mama, wait.
Mama Eli.
Social media.
Mama Eli, wait, may I answer you for that one.
No, mommy they talk.
You know, say when Sharon knew late, you know, say that people call the Saga Izzy for social media, right? Now Izzy matter the fact carry come outside for the first time. Izzy they start to be drag.
Mommy, but every time I suck back where I have my phone, give me the pagide for you, delete me and a phone. We Sharon and me, if you don't wait phone.
Hold on,
ye Sharon ko la di.
Hold on, what the answer?
I met a Saga ba.
Wait, now let me answer you. Please, Mommy Sonia. Mommy Sonia.
Mommy Sonia
I want ask question. The Sharon matter now, in Azolena. It's okay, my sister when I kwa imama. We now was soon, we last year, there's no soon. We Sharon, they said, you know, Catherine Saga. They said the Sharon now, they said the Izzy. Because here I got a man of the Nania. My question answer.
Is Sharon said na first start Saga.
What
We don't know. We don't know bring all those information. We don't know who bring and come and say when they contact the Saga Izzy. We don't know.
when I social media we go travel, what's our Amudia carry yaso in the matter.
But Amanda was
The social media every side the kaka my dey every side.
na Sharon family first start the Saga.
The Monica Lagbina na et one more than the Monica Lagbina at the beginning.
Na Mama Sharon.
So sir,
Monica got the first video.
Yes, na Monica so na Monica so dey.
But I was made there we go to na kala diani abeg any ni abi.
No, Izzy Osamede and Godi fair come outside do their own. You understand? So now Monica call the Saga Izzy. Izzy say he come Mama Sharon come tell Mama Sharon say mommy he enter social media everybody all the Saga he no know wetin dey happen. He say Mama Sharon no answer am. You understand? Mama Sharon no come answer am.
And when I party my voice now.
Before she come outside, I can't talk aside of the issue. That time, oh, not be this time they talk. So when you come outside,
Me everybody rest oh waga your body we Sharon teta fane jog if you edgy where
everybody dey view Sharon le gbe la jare live video.
Wala wa ki an mi o ma wala gogo megwa boyin oge ya di gwa lo ti emi wo ba ma kan me but e ma ta me no wa ki an mi o ma wa mi o ma ni Sharon go because e wan ya the see party.
What the I say? Because when they know where you have to be, you be one African. I'm gonna what tell you know what the I say. Me go the way, and now see where I am with this.
Social media.
Only a social media when you are
my mama no get
yeah, he married wow. It's Saturday go the man do Indiana. Oh, he is working now.
Number two. Why it's your bonnet money? Even have a bury money. Sharon, I give a bury. Why? Oh, I love Sharon. Why it's your bonnet?
Why in love the other my wife? They are told really lucky as a guy my bank. Yeah, my cake. Why you just Saturday now?
Mama, Izzy come and say, "Na Izzy the lad."
But you are in Saga now. But
Izzy no be human being.
Why they want to be nyanya?
No, mama, you want nyanya. You want we settlement igbe Emma.
Live 2222. Okwe Oriziola. Izzy mala. Izzy mala. Ipieleka. Aru evana we problem. Let me to see. Gumegwa. Aru evana we egbezo. Giawe for example na.
I don't if I'm a bezo. Oh, Mama can have it. Don't tell you where any measure.
Mama, you know if you tell me I want to follow person quarrel.
Let me talk. You
know if you tell me I
you not get children. Because if you get children, I don't believe say you gonna talk I don't think this one. People gonna insult person children. You gonna talk I dey talk, let me talk. If
so
you
let the mother
everybody get the way that they react to issue fair.
The mother
Why the fake account? Let me talk because
Mama, I never get issue with anybody. I never ever insult person to keep. We just say show me there. We matter the call.
Don't be happy kidding the cause.
You know the insult.
Information. Erena panapa. Erena what? Comment avec si quoi? Erena c'est ne complet.
Now what tell you that
c'est ne complet là des be lad.
You understand?
I'm thinking not be like your thinking. I see just this.
Yes,
my thinking not be like your thinking.
No, this one show like
because it's children. Why just they call life? So small children will never know anything. All this insult whether they insult those children. So now, you know say this life. People gonna feel say what that they do so now good thing. Even I am more for mona. E monoma mama ever. Except what is in your carrying there. E born in your mugbe money ni wo wi aje egbera wo and wo wi no kana no
me stop her. May stop her. She go fit put an end. She go fit put an end. One of the talk say she dey in pain. She dey in pain. You know say
woman come alone
as they break the issue, the woman go dey in pain more.
Una woman come and
na woman come
she never see una never hear from her mouth since then now. Una not see something home. Una want me she come out, me she come talk something wanna go home. She not go come out. If they
need to come outside as a mother,
you
need to come outside as a mother. You go just only voice. You go just only voice for the golden way they
know the voice anything.
No, they
I know they find anybody. Go look in that laptop. Go tell her to stop.
Una go dey settle the matter. Una go dey talk say
Mommy Joy, go look in that platform. Wanna go beg the rest, make them rest.
Lucky nice that the family member of the children. You
don't say
Lucky nice that the family member of the children.
I said may you enter Lucky Nice platform. Wanna still go beg the rest people.
Rest in Jesus' name.
Make France. You have to go beg France. Wanna go beg
not because you see they just say if na is here now, na is here the lad, na is here the lad, na is here the lad.
Yes, now you might be.
They say me they rest, they beg people make they rest.
Me not the talk say me they not rest. Me they talk say wanna go beg the rest people make they rest. Wanna go beg the rest people. Wanna beg the rest people make they rest. Now wetin me dey after? Me just only they talk say best mommy, me just only they talk say you fit not insult the girl children, but another person fit do. Now wetin I dey try to tell you say everybody brain not dey work at the same time. Everybody brain not dey work at the same time.
Okay, wait. May you wait.
Let me try to explain to you. We know the quarrel here.
May I tell you something? You say everybody head not they work at the same time. I agree with you.
Yes.
Everybody head not they work at the same time. May you wait. If person head not they work, normal you might be head not they work right. You know that person get problem. That person need to go psychiatric.
You understand me? So beg the rest people make the rest.
Which people that they beg? Which people that want beg?
Lucky Nice and Frank. They say they saga the remaining people now. You know they see them.
Those people where you they talk. So what you need to know? What they try to make you understand? Those people where they say make they beg. So they're not connect to these children. They're not connect to these children. That be what I heard they try to make you understand.
No,
those people not connect to these children.
They insult is they insult a no gear. Now what they tell you now? Now what they tell you?
If they insult Izzy, wait, my sister. If those people now they insult Izzy, insult a no gear. A no gear and Izzy get mad. When they go tell insult, those people will insult their back. You understand me? So I'm saying those people insult children.
I bet more along that person talk.
That's mama. Even when I went no get mad. Even you know you the gears I don't even. On your camp for now.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
They don't understand the process
Ele
there
ya
now.
kero wi o papa gbada mo.
But when no dey fún ẹ, iye Sharon your review and so ni me dey ba bi e.
E no ge wi e giro bi e
But I understand it. Now we all try to understand it
Mama,
together.
me understand even with mama, even where mama
Yeah,
even
yeah.
then me
Yeah,
kill
we obi o kan no
let
ore.
me kill lu where mama. So even where mama even where mama very me na go. So me accept when I'm out of your mama. They laugh at me.
No.
Beg the best people. Mama beg the best people. Mama beg the best people. So make them not try to
Because
the
the way
children.
when they come,
You understand? Because
those children now.
the way you go tell react to
I understand. You see this platform where you did. Mama, you see this life where you did so life 222. You see this platform where you did so.
Yeah.
See what that word where they do say everybody not feel the same. Everybody not feel the same. This platform where you did, if they cause you say you not feel the where you go to cause the pay children, they go drop you, they will still block you journal for this platform where you did so. For you to insult person pikin, this platform where you did, we go drop you, block you.
Mama,
because that your brain not easy. They go to cause children, now they go look they block you.
Me, I know they said this, but earlier you go know say, no be the way you go take react for matter, no be another person go take react for matter, the
That
better.
person talk now. New people dey here. 2 person dey here.
Good evening.
My sister, you are welcome.
Come, mommy, love is it.
I think we both
Okay, come, mommy. See, I beg. Sir, this issue not just supporting. If you be say, we just try to understand ourselves. Very easy to talk, put. Now, I understand. Not be all those, everybody, we all they talk at the center. We don't understand each other. I really agree the asset. More than all verse. I want to see